There are many false claims about Song Huizong. Even with his seal, it may not be authentic. Most online searches for Song Huizong's works yield poorly crafted fake pieces. We won't discuss these types of works. What might surprise most people is that even famous paintings like Hibiscus and Lame Mountain may not be his. They might not be his own work. The Southern Song preface divided Huizong-related court paintings into jade paintings and jade body paintings. Jade paintings were undoubtedly by Huizong himself, while jade body paintings were listed separately, including many inscribed by Emperor Huizong but painted by others, such as Zhao Chang and Xu Shi. None of the jade paintings from that time survive today, but we can still see two jade body paintings, Hibiscus and Lame Mountain. Expert Xu Bangda classifies Huizong's works as jade paintings and jade body paintings. He believes Huizong's own work is rougher, like Sketch of True Feelings. Detailed works like Hibiscus and Lame Mountain are likely by court painters. Even with Huizong's inscription and seal, it may not be his own painting. Some scholars argue jade body paintings could still be Huizong's work. However, this view is unreasonable. The preface lists many of Huizong's authentic works without poems, only signed. Works like Hibiscus brocade that combine poetry and painting shouldn't be ranked behind other paintings or mixed with other artists' works. So jade paintings like this are unlikely to be authentic. Some argue that Huizong's important works have specific signature styles. For example, five-colored parrot, dragon descending envoy, and auspicious crane paintings are signed with jade will, jade painting, sick book, and have a unique under heaven seal. Others like Hibiscus brocade and three emotions of wax plum are signed with Zhuanhe hall, jade will, sick book, and also have the under heaven seal. Some have jade brush and under heaven seal like plum blossom embroidery and double love of wax plum. Some only have seals like listening to chin, peeper and mountain birds, and willow furnace flame. Paintings like five-colored parrot, dragon descending envoy, and auspicious crane with jade will, jade painting, and sick book signatures are undoubtedly authentic. Jade will and jade painting together suggest will doesn't mean painting. Scholars believe will here means poetry composition. We often find jade poem where jade will appears, so paintings like Hibiscus brocade and wax plum mountain skirt with Zhuanhe hall, jade will, and sick book signatures indicate the poem is by Song Huizong, but the painting isn't. I believe these important works, whether by Huizong or not, are worth studying. Do you think they're authentic Song Huizong works?